Do you need a lawyer in Kazakhstan? When and why? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are answering a common question that many expats, investors and even locals ask. Do I really need a lawyer in Kazakhstan? Let's break down the when, why and how legal support can save you stress, time and even money. Do you need a lawyer in Kazakhstan? Legally speaking, you are not always required to have a lawyer, but in many situations it is strongly recommended, especially if you are not fluent in Kazakh or Russian, you are unfamiliar with local procedures, you are dealing with contracts, courts or authorities. Even simple things can go wrong fast if you don't know the legal system. Next, buying or renting property. Buying an apartment, renting an office. Here's where lawyers are essential. A good lawyer will check the title documents, identify hidden encumbrances or debts, draft or review contracts in your interest, handle registration and negotiation with real estate agents or developers. Without one, you risk buying disputed or restricted property, especially if you are foreigner. Third, migration, visas and work permits. Kazakhstan migration law can be confusing even for locals. If you are applying for residency or VNG, need a work permit or business visa, are being fined or denied entry, a lawyer can help you fix documents, file appeals and avoid blacklisting. 4. Police, fines and criminal issues. Were you stopped by police, fined unfairly, facing a court summons? You have the right to remain silent, request an interpreter, call a lawyer immediately if detained. Whether it's a traffic violation or more serious charge, don't go alone. 5. Going to court, even for civil cases. If you are involved in a contract dispute, debt recovery, family law issues, landlord-tenant problems, the court procedure is formal and strictly regulated. Deadlines, evidence rules, official notice. A lawyer will know how to draft your claim, represent you in hearings, navigate appeals. Number 6, business and employment. Opening a company, hiring staff, terminating a contract. Legal advice helps you avoid illegal clauses in contracts, stay compliant with labor law and tax regulations, resolve disputes before they turn into lawsuits. Even freelancers and startups benefit from legal guidance early on. Number 7, when you can represent yourself. You can appear in court without a lawyer, especially in small civil claims, but only if you understand the law, can speak the language, feel confident preparing documents. Even then, consulting a lawyer before you go can save you a lot of hassle. So, do you need a lawyer in Kazakhstan? Not always mandatory. but almost always useful, especially if you are dealing with contracts, property, business, or state authorities. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.